Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the BENBOW premium set here. It's a wash bucket with 20 liters in black. It's also available in white. These are matching bucket lid, dirt strainer and bucket trolley. Really cool idea which BENBOW comes around here, because if you are going to clean your car, for example, you have to use water with soap, of course, yes. But the coating, the paint, is on the bottom side of your car, more dirty, like on the upper side. Okay, and if you're going to clean your car at home, it happens often that the water inside the bucket is dirty after a couple of moments, and then you have a problem. That means you come with this dirty water back to clean, and this breaks your paint. It scratches your paint a little bit. Here BENBOW says that's no problem. There's a filter. The filter is really cool design. That means the filter comes onto the bottom side of the bucket, and the filter keeps the dirt underneath on the bottom side of the bucket. It's really cool. And that's not all. Here it comes with a nice cover. The lid is sealed with a rubber, and it's easy to remove it and attach it back on the bucket itself. And there is a trolley with a lot of wheels, rubber wheels, so you can make this set mobile. It makes you can roll around the corner, roll around your working area, and use this for a cleaning process easily. So dip the soap into it, add water, and use a sponge to clean your car, for example. Of course, you can clean household things with that set here too, no problem. And of course, you can buy separately. That means the lid you can buy separately. You can buy the filter system, the bucket, and of course the bucket wagon. The weight is 1,200 grams. That means it's not too heavy, I think. It comes with a capacity of 20 liter. This is enough for a nice cleaning process, for example, of your car, and it makes a good job because it is made of a good quality materials, and it's robust and reliable, of course, so you can use this set for a long time. It's really cool because the dimensions are compact, but it's large enough to make a good job with it. For example, the bucket on the bottom side is 26 centimeters and the upper side is 31 centimeters, and from the bottom up to the upper side is 38 centimeters. The lid is 3.2 centimeters to 31 centimeters. The filter system is 6 centimeter high. Underneath this filter, there will be a function that the dirt is stored there, and the diameter is 26.3 centimeters. So you can see it's really compact, but it's not so compact that it does not work. It works because it is lightweight, it is portable, good, reliable, and of course on the wheels of it, the rubber wheels, you can make it mobile first, but you have two wheels where you can lock it, and then you can stay there, and the BENBOW set will stay there and helps you to make a good and clean job. It's really important to clean your painting area before you make a new coating on it, for example. And this here is the first step. The first step is clean it by using dish soap. Not dish soap or something other, car soap or something, and water to make a good clean. And after this, you can clean it with brake cleaner, and then you can make a new coating on it. And that means this BENBOW premium set here is really cool. It's a wash bucket with 20-liter capacity. It's available in black and white, as you like, with a matching bucket lid and a dirt strainer and a bucket trolley. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.